The legacy of a legend. The MiG-21 of the Indian Air Force. Valor, courage, precision, and the steadfast oath to defend the nation. For 62 years, the legend dominated the skies. The time has arrived to stand ready for one last tribute to the machine and the brave men behind it. On the 26th of September 2025, a historic ceremony will honor the legend, dedicated to the pioneers, veterans, and their families. The MiG-21's fearless spirit lives on forever